ജാലമേ നീ ചാരമിഴിയേ കാരമൊഴിയേ കാതിലിനിയാരെ ഗാനമേ നീ ഏഴുനിറമേകും മാനം നാമിട തീർത്തൊരുമായ ലോകം പൂനിലവ് കവരും തീരം നാമലിയുന്നവിട മോതിര കയ്യിൽ കോരിടാം ചന്ദ്രനെ ഹൃദയം തിരിയേ സാമഗമം പറന്നു പറന്നുയരേ നീലാഞ്ജനമായി തെളിയുന്നിരമെല്ലാം നീയാണേ സായാഹ്നമേറി ചിരിറാന്തരണിഞ്ഞൊരു സാഗരമേ താരപദമാകെ പ്രേമമഴയായി പായ്ത്തോണിയിൽ നാമും ഒന്നായി തേടിയെത്തി തീരമേ കയ്യിൽ കോരിടാം ചന്ദ്രനെ ഹൃദയം തിരിയേ സാമഗമം പറന്നു പറന്നുയരേ ചരാതടേ മർമ്മമില്ലതിൽ പേദനെ മനസാമനവ്യാരക്കിം ചരാതടേ മർമ്മമില്ലതിൽ പേദനെ മനസാമനവ്യാരക്കിം ചരാ
each other. Actually, we met each other in Mysore campus. I mean, we were working together in Infosys. So, like during a function, actually, we met each other. So we talked a lot, and we became friends. And yeah, like I still remember the date actually, and the month, especially the month. So it was on February 2024. So yeah, after that we were talking a lot. We are seeing daily in the offices. I mean, and we used to go for lunch. And yeah, so after that, when the months are passed, my family got a chance to meet her in the office. So when they saw her, what I saw her initially on my first stage, they also felt that, especially the kindness and the charming look, and all her character was easily likable to everyone. So that made me attractive towards her. So the same thing felt for my parents also, especially my brother. So after that, they all become same vibe, and we used to connect to each other. And during November, so first our families met, and we talked a lot. And yeah, after that, coming to the Jan February, so the marriage was fixed, and that is happening today. And yeah, that's all about a small timeline. And yeah, and when the families met, it is already a two culture. So we were looking, so we always respect their culture, and they also respect our culture. So that mutual understanding between the two families was very important, and that was making this moment memorable.
உயிரே வாழ்க, உலகம் காண்க, ஆரோமல் சிறியாள் பாலே, நறுமொழி நிற நிறையுமீ அகமே. കണ്ണാൽ പൊഴിയുമേ കരുണയൊടു പെണ്ണാൾ കടലുകൾ.
Talking about like our story, it's the two states. So she is a Malayali and like I am a Marathi bride. So we like initially when we met in office, like we never imagined that we'll take this forward and then we'll get married. So yeah, but eventually like his behavior is too good, and his organizing capability, that is the first thing that I mean struck to my mind. So that was the first thing, and his caring nature. So yeah, according like just like this our chemistry started building together, and now we are taking this step ahead and getting married. Actually like nobody as such proposed each other. Like we started becoming like good friends, and then slowly we thought that yeah, we can take this friendship ahead. So that's how it both have high temper issues. So that is a common point. So yeah, finally the wedding day has arrived. So yeah, I'm feeling excited, nervous, everything together. It's a big bunch of emotions. So yeah, going to new family and leaving my family. So that is an emotional part.
திருமண கொண்டாட்டம் நம் குடும்ப ஆர்ப்பாட்டம் என் உலகத்தையும் உலகத்தை வாழும் இந்த அதிசய கல்யாணம் நம் இதயம் வரையும் கோலம் என் உலகத்தையும் உலகத்தை வாழும் உள்ளம் பாடும் பாடல் நம் கதையை சொல்லும் காதல் திருமண கொண்டாட்டம் நம் குடும்ப ஆர்ப்பாட்டம் என் உலகத்தையும் உலகத்தை வாழும் இந்த அதிசய கல்யாணம் நம் இதயம் வரையும் கோலம் என் உலகத்தையும் உலகத்தை வாழும் உள்ளம் பாடும் பாடல் நம் கதையை சொல்லும் காதல் சின்ன ஆசை பெரிய ஓசை இசையாவே மாறும் நம் இதய பெண்ணும் சேரும் நம் கதையை சொல்லும் காதல்
Initially, Jayasuriya was scared that his parents won't agree. So yeah, they came to see our office, basically Mysore campus. So that is the first time they saw me, and then yeah, they discussed with Jayasuriya like what is the status between you two. So yeah, that's how they liked me, and then yeah, they agreed to this. Yeah, my family also initially, yeah, of course, they were also not ready to get married to like non-Marathi guy. Then yeah, slowly they also agreed. So that's how we brought the families together. And now like they are, both side parents are enjoying together. Even the 2 days event, we saw all the family were happy and they were enjoying.
After seeing her first time in the bridal look, so I can't tell that thing in English, I will tell in Malayalam. എനിക്കറിയില്ല അതിനെപ്പറ്റി എന്താ പറയേണ്ടതെന്ന്, ബട്ട് ഇറ്റ് വാസ് മൈൻഡ് ബ്ലോയിങ്. ഐ മീൻ യാ, അത് ഒരു വേറെ ലുക്കായിരുന്നു. ഈ ലുക്ക് ഫസ്റ്റ് ടൈം ഇത് കാണുമ്പോൾ അത് എപ്പോഴും എൻ്റെ മനസ്സിലുണ്ടാവും. അത് ഇനി ലൈഫ് ലോങ് അത് എൻ്റെ മനസ്സിൽ എന്തായാലും ഉണ്ടാവും.
Very much excited feeling as two families of altogether different castes, different language are bonding together. But overall in the process, two functions were arranged according to our customs and the marriage ceremony were arranged from their side as per Kerala customs. So both the sides were emotionally involved and heartily connected to each other in spite of language barrier. And my in-laws and my son-in-law, my sister's father-in-law, son-in-law are very nice persons. All of our relatives are having very much positive impression on this family. And what about the atmosphere, roads, culture, mandirs, sincerity of people's, fitness of people's. Daughter's marriage happened at such a great place, Guruvayur temple.
The wedding is done and I'm yet not able to accept the fact that the wedding preparation which we were doing for a year now, like everyone, me, Didi, Jijaji, everyone, and now the function is over. I am very anxious, emotional also, that when I'll go back from here, I will not have Didi with me. So there is a feeling that my Didi is going to other house, but the happy part is that I'm getting an elder brother. Our bond as siblings, like, we never fought for anything. When we were living together, we didn't realize the importance of two sisters living together. But after the job and education, we both live in different cities. Then we come home only during festivals and other things. So that is making us feel more connected together. But this time, now it's her marriage. So I don't know how am I going to process this whole feeling of her going to other house. But I am happy and emotional for her. Language, the culture of both the families coming together is different. But what I feel is that both the families are putting efforts together to understand each other's language, to understand each other's culture. And I think that is what is important. So this whole two families coming together is going to be very beautiful.
We have came to Kerala like for the first time, and it's very beautiful,
very clean,
very clean
beautiful.
city.
We loved your wedding. We loved everything about your wedding. It was a great experience here.
And the wedding was very unique. Like, it was a first time experience.
It's a very unique experience for us because we have never attended any South Indian wedding, so it's a new thing for us, and we enjoyed a lot.
Wish you a very happy married
life, Paridhi.
Stay always happy and healthy.
But never forget us.
Yes.
We are going to poke you every
Throughout
time.
the life.
Throughout the life. दी ये तेरे लिए एक शायरी. दोस्त की शादी का कार्ड मिला, दिल ने बोला या अल्लाह एक और गया. पर खुशी इस बात की है, इस बार खिलाफे इंसानियत नहीं, प्यार जीत गया. We are so happy for you, Paridhi.
तू अगर मेरी ये हवाएं तेरी, तू अगर मेरी सारी राहें तेरी, तू अगर मेरी मैं हूँ तेरा. तू अगर मेरी ये उजाले तेरे, तू अगर मेरी दिल हवाले तेरे, तू अगर मेरी मैं हूँ तेरा. बेताब सा मोहब्बत का तू इनकलाब है. मेरा जहां तेरी बाहों में ख्वाब ख्वाब है. गहरा हुआ रंग आशिकी, गहरा हुआ गहरा सारी राहें तेरी तो अगर मेरी मैं हूँ तेरा